Hello friends! It's such a wonderful day, isn't it? A special day to the person who will be promoted on Monday. On Monday? Question mark yon. So, unsure pa sa date na lipatan. Ano ba, pare? So, to the one of the remarkable principals of Bacoor, my kumpare, Sir Ronald Rio, congratulations on your promotion. So, in behalf of the Association, Bapesya, and Bacoor 2 District, a big thank you for you. We really value the time that you are with us in the elementary group. So we appreciate especially your advanced posting of DepEd memos and orders in our group. Wala pang signature ni Secretary Briones, may advance copy ka na. So yan ang hindi natin malilimutan kay Sir Rio. I personally am so thankful for your support in all the activities and undertakings in our association and district. So, cheers to the time that we have spent together. Good luck to your new journey in the senior high school. Although the work is the same as a school head, but the school atmosphere in terms of curricula and learners are different. So, alam ko naman na kayang-kaya mo yan. You already prepared yourself for that. So, again, best of luck to your new home. Keep up the hard work and be your best self always. So, Merry Christmas from all of us.
Hello, Yit. Congratulations on your success. Thank you sa lahat dahil lagi mo kaming priority. Kami mga kapatid mo, family mo, lalong-lalo na si Mamay at saka si Papay. Siguro kung buhay si Papay, masayang-masaya yun para sa'yo. Salamat dahil lagi mo silang inaalalayan. Si Mamay, lagi mong sinisilip. Kinukumusta lagi, araw-araw. Kaya ka siguro binibless ni God. Thank you sa love. At proud kami sa iyo. Good luck!
Hello, Daddy! Congratulations to your promotion. Actually, nagpapasalamat talaga ako kasi you were promoted. It is a very great blessing sa ating family. I really want to thank you for everything, sa lahat ng binibigay mo sa amin, pinoprovide mo para sa ating mga anak. Thank you for being a very good and loving husband, and also thank you for being a caring father to our Tres Marias. I hope na tuloy-tuloy lang ang blessings ni God sa atin. Alam ko naman na pangarap mo to at pangarap to nating lahat, and you are doing this for our family. So, thank you so much! Congratulations! You deserve it. Actually, you deserve it. Sa lahat ng mga pinagdaanan natin sa buhay, I know that you deserve this promotion. Congratulations!
Hello, Yit. Congratulations. Good luck.